Smallest state of India is Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Sikkim. The correct answer, the smallest state of India is Sikkim. Babusar Pass connect is Kagan Valley to Gilgit, Kagan Valley to Swat, Swat Valley to Gilgit. The answer, Kagan Valley to connect into Gilgit Valley in Babusar Pass. Babusar Pass connect two valleys, Kagan to Gilgit. Bolan Pass connects with two cities, Kagan to Gilgit, Sibbi to Quetta, Swat to Gilgit. The correct Sibbi to Quetta. Sibbi to Quetta is connected by Bolan Pass. Borgil Pass connects one corridor to Chitral district. In Wakhan district to Chitral district are connected by Borgil Pass. Wakhan district to Chitral district connected by Borgil Pass. The Karkar Pass connects Swat to Bunair. Karkar Pass connect with Swat to Bunair. Which element is essential for life and it is found in all organic compounds? Carbon is the main ingredient of organic compounds and it is an essential element for life. Which block of the periodic table contains transition metal? D block. D block of periodic table consists of transition metals. S block is contains of hydrogen, lithium, and P block contains of helium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Which element is used in making for solar panel? The correct answer, silicon is mostly used in the solar panels. What is the heaviest naturally occurring element? The correct answer, uranium. Heaviest naturally occurring element is uranium. Periodic table. What does the atomic number represent? Basic atomic number of protons. And what is the lightest element on the periodic table? The correct answer, hydrogen is the lightest element and the second lightest element is helium. Which sense does a bat primarily use for navigation? The correct answer, action is used to bat for navigation. Which vitamin is produced when your skin is exposed to sunlight? The correct answer, vitamin D. Vitamin D is produced when your skin is exposed to sunlight. What is the primarily component of air we breathe? The correct answer, nitrogen. The primary component of air we breathe is nitrogen. Mostly nitrogen consists in open air is large amount as percentage by volume of overall. Which group of elements are known as noble gases? The correct answer, 18 is called noble gases. It consists of helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. Which layer of Earth's atmosphere contains the ozone layer? The correct answer, stratosphere. Stratosphere is the consists of ozone layer. Pellagra is a disease caused by the deficiency of Pellagra is a disease which consists of the deficiency of niacin. Which thing the brain demands the most? Basically, brain demands the most is glucose. Glucose is the diet of brain. Fat-soluble vitamins are absorbed with the help of salt. Fat-soluble vitamins are absorbed with the help of bile salts. Which planet is known as the red planet? The correct answer is called red planet. Identify the correct synonym for fascinate. The correct answer, Vietnamese debate. Is the capital of Azerbaijan? The correct answer, Baku is the capital of Azerbaijan. Known as father of the Indian Constitution. The correct answer, Dr. or Ambedkar is the father of the Indian Constitution. Capital of Australia is the correct answer. Canberra is the capital of Australia. The following is a good conductor of electricity. Rubber, wood, glass, copper. In the following elements, the copper is the best conductor for electricity.